Hey Warriors, in this tutorial, we're going to explain how to open, edit and submit challenges in the Ignite learning platform, as well as providing some instructions for uploading and sharing videos in your submissions. We'd like to note that the functionality of Ignite and Google Drive are optimized when using the Google Chrome web browser. So we do encourage you to download and install this as the very first step. So to do this, you will need to visit google.com and search for the Google Chrome web browser download. Within the search results, scroll down and click on this option that says Google Chrome download the fast, secure browser. From here, you will then need to click on the download Chrome and follow the prompts for downloading and installing. Before accessing your very first challenge or assessment portfolio, you'll need to accept some terms and conditions from Google so that you are authorized to open these documents. So to do this, you'll need to first log into your Ignite learning platform with your allocated username and password using the Continue with Google option below the initial login screen. Once you've done this, open a new web browser tab and just hover your mouse over the circle in the top right-hand corner to confirm that the Google account is your institute details. If this is showing with a personal Gmail account, you will just need to switch the account so that it reflects your institute details. So the extension should be @ignite.aif.edu.au. Once you've done this, click on the 9 dots icon in the top right-hand corner and then select the Drive icon. A new web browser should appear, and it may or may not request you to accept some terms and conditions of use. If it does show for you, please click the I accept, and this will connect you to your Institute Google Drive. Just to note, there may not be any files in your Google Drive initially. However, this is where all challenge documents will automatically be generated and saved in future. We also recommend using Google Drive to upload videos of your practical components, which we'll explain a little later in this tutorial. So now that we have connected your Institute Google Drive to Ignite, it's time to open your first challenge. So what you'll need to do is access your Ignite dashboard and then click on your course via the left-hand menu. Click on the challenge via the dashboard on the right-hand side here, or you can also click the Challenges tab on the left-hand menu. From here, click on the Assessment Workbook. Beneath the Instructions heading, click on the blue hyperlink of the assessment. A new browser window will open, asking you to click here to start. After pressing this, the assessment portfolio will open and will automatically save to your Institute Google Drive. If your challenge includes a practical component that requires filming, follow these steps for linking your video into the assessment documentation. Firstly, you'll need to record your video using a mobile, tablet, GoPro, or your PC. Once you've recorded the video, connect your device to your PC if you are using a mobile or GoPro. From there, you'll need to open your Institute Google Drive and then click on the new icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click File Upload from the menu, and then you'll need to select the video from the file location and then click Open. Once the video has uploaded, which may or may not take a few minutes, you then need to right-click on the video file and select Get Link. You'll just need to ensure that all privacy settings aren't set to restricted so that the coaches can view your video. From here, simply click copy link and then done. Return to your challenge documentation and then paste this URL link where it instructs you in the challenge. I'm just going to paste it up the top here as an example. So you can press Control V on your keyboard to paste, or you can right click and then paste as well. A quick tip for any iPhone users, you can also airdrop the video directly to your Institute Google Drive account if this app is set up on your mobile device. There may be some instances where videos can't be uploaded via Google Drive, and this could be due to some file size restrictions. So there are a couple of other platforms that you can share your video to. The most common platform is YouTube. You'll just need to create a free account in order to upload your video. Once this upload process is complete, you then need to paste the URL link into the challenge documentation, but please just ensure that the privacy settings on your video are set to public so that the coaches can view your video. Once your assessment has been graded, you can then remove the video, or you can change the settings back to private. If you're not comfortable with uploading your videos publicly to YouTube, there are other platforms such as Dropbox and Vimeo that you can also share your videos to. The process will be exactly the same in terms of creating a free account, uploading the video, and then sharing the public URL link in your challenge documentation. As a very last resort, you can send us on a USB file your video and mail it to the online coaches. You'll just need to get in touch with us to obtain these details. Ensure that you use a padded or a tough envelope to post it in, just to make sure that your USB is secured. And then also write your return address on the back as well so we can send your USB back to you. Once all challenge documents are completed and all required video links are provided, it's now time to upload your submission to the Ignite platform. So the very first step that you need to do is to convert your assessment document into a PDF. So to do this, you'll need to go to the File menu, go down to Download, and select PDF document. Once you've done this, the PDF will automatically save to your downloads folder on your PC. Then return to your Ignite platform and click on the Challenges tab, and then come back to this instructions window. From here, scroll down to the bottom and click on Prepare Answer. Down the bottom here is where you can add all of your attachments. So simply click on Add Attachment and then click on Drop Files here, or you can also drag them across from another folder. Select all of the documentation. And once all of those have been selected and uploaded, you then click Save and Submit for grading. In the event that your challenge requires some amendments, these can be made to the original Google document version of the challenge that is saved in your Google Drive. Once the revisions have been applied, just repeat the process of downloading as a PDF and then resubmitting via the Challenges tab in Ignite. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. However, please reach out to the coaches if you experience any technical issues in completing these steps. Happy studying!